Hi there folks, in this video we're going to take a look at one of Model 3 and Model Y's least required accessory, the key fob. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong. Now this key fob retails in the Aussie Tesla shop for 235 Australian dollars, and coming from the Model X and Model S family of cars, to me this key fob made sense, as I was not happy taking the key card out to drive every time. The key fob comes in this gorgeous gift box, which looks very similar to the gift box that my Model X's key fob came in. This black box with its red accents is quite beautiful. The case in which the Model 3's key fob comes in is quite minimalist too, very similar to the design language of the car itself. We have the key fob and a set of instructions which may look like hieroglyphics to many people, but a Tesla user would instantly recognize that setup menu. It is a good looking and premium feeling key fob, but it is in piano black. Now some people may not mind it, but I would love to see that anodized plastic used in the 2021 Model 3 on this key fob, and I think it will look amazing. Now besides the key fob itself, there are two batteries inside, which are the CR2032 coin batteries. You only need one. To install, snap open the bottom door, slide in the battery like so, and snap the door shut. To set up, one needs to jump into the car, and you would need the key fob and the key card as well. Go into settings, then into locks, click on that plus button and place the key fob next to the cup holder at the same spot where you would keep the key card as well. Once the car recognizes the key fob, you need to authenticate by keeping the key card at the same spot next to the cup holder. And that is it. The key fob is now added, and you can rename the key fob as you see fit. You can now see that the key fob has been added and it has my name as well. A single tap locks the doors. A double tap unlocks the doors. Double press on the trunk opens and closes the trunk. Double tap on the frunk opens the frunk. Unfortunately, I do not have a motorized frunk. Now that is for a different video. I'll try and install a motorized frunk in this one. I really wanted to do this in the Model X as well, but I never got around doing it. But in this one, I am going to make a lot of mods. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that bell icon too. One more time, double tap and it unlocks the door. If you press and hold the trunk, it opens the charge port. Did you know you can use the fob to summon the car? I use it all the time with my Model X. To get it to work, you need to go into the autopilot settings, go into customize summon, and set require continuous press to no. Now to get the summon to work, you need to press and hold on the top button until the parking lights flash, then press on either the front or the trunk switch to move the car forwards or in the reverse direction. This is an awesome feature which I know I will use all the time. Now that's all folks. Yeah, this key fob is not a must-have accessory, but I still love it. If not for anything else, I love to summon the car with the key fob in my pocket, and it feels just like magic. What do you guys think? Buy or won't buy? Does the price justify its use? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit on that like button and subscribe button to the channel, and also click on that bell icon to get notifications of my videos as soon as they drop. I kindly request you to consider using my referral code if you're out there to buy one of the sexies. Now, my referral code will work anywhere in the world, so please consider doing that. Until I meet you guys in another interesting video, this is Nash from Tesla and the Gong, signing off. Peace.